Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the ICT Standard Deviation Projections. All right, so let's just add standard deviation. Let's add this to the chart, for easy explanation, right? So the ICT Standard Deviation Projections are tools that are used to estimate potential price ranges based on statistical volatility. All right, so they use standard deviation to project how far price might move away from a mean or average level. Okay, so these projections, you can see how this indicator gives us several projections both to the downside and to the upside. So the projections help traders identify potential expansion zones. When price moves toward higher deviation levels, it may indicate an extended move, while lower levels suggest consolidation, right? So traders often use these projections to set expectations for price movement and identify areas where price might react. Okay, so if you are using this particular indicator, the Fibago ICT standard deviation and targets, this is just an example, right? Just this indicator just for some explanations. So you will notice that it helps to identify several standard deviation points, or 1SD 1.5, 2 2.53, both to the upside and to the downside. And then we have this CE here, and then you can see this dashboard also showing a range, showing size, and all of this information, including the ATR. All right, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.